Hello everyone, how are you doing? Now I am traveling, however, I've been sent something I want to share with you, and that is what I believe is the first official images of the new upcoming FPV drone from DJI known as the Avata. Now I'm going to put the images up on screen for you guys to see, and here you can see we have a small Ciniwhoop style drone. It appears that it's got a large battery on the back end. We can see the tilting camera at the front, with this module area in the middle, which is rather interesting, with all of the DJI stickers all over it. If we look at the second image that we've been sent from underneath, you can see that we've got our traditional visual positioning system with the TOF sensors in the middle and the two cameras on the outside. We can see the propellers as well as the downward looking camera that's on the front of the drone, as we've seen on the other image. As for specs on this new drone, we really don't know, but we believe it's going to run their newest version of their OcuSync FPV system, which may allow things like 1080p image transmission and maybe some new features that we haven't seen yet on the current FPV drone. What is interesting is this seems to be a new move for DJI, moving into a more smaller, portable style of FPV. It has been leaked that this probably won't have a manual mode like acro, so it's definitely going to be that more cinematic but FPV style footage. For me, I think it's going to be interesting, and I do think that DJI are probably going to concentrate more on the image quality side of things on this for recording than they did on the original drone, because whilst the original FPV drone was very good, where it did lack in many aspects was the image quality that you were recording to the onboard SD card, and some of the information that we have hints that this might have a lot more onboard capabilities than we've seen with the previous drone. Anyway, that's it. I hope you have found this video interesting. Please do let me know what you think in the comment section. If you are interested in seeing more videos like this, please do consider hitting the subscribe button if you're not already. And if you'd like to support the channel, please do check out the links in the description to my Patreon, as well as buy me a coffee. Anyway, stay safe, and I will speak to you again soon.